Now in this section I'm going to see how to add a data series to a chart and also how to remove a data series from a chart. Now if you look at this table of data here, I've got sales for two regions. I've got the East region here and the West region here, and we've got sales for 2017, 18 and 19. However, if we look at the chart, we only have data for the East region, not the West region. So what we could do is just simply click on the chart, delete it and create it from scratch. But an easier way is this. Let's select the data that we want included. So if we just select the data for the West, so I'll select that range. If I press Ctrl C and then I simply click on the chart and press Ctrl V, can you see what's happened? I'll just deselect it. I've pasted the data for the West, which is now shown in red, directly into the chart. That's kind of cool.